Hello again and welcome to the third video of the mini sound series. In our previous videos, we learned the basic sounds of the English language by looking at the alphabet and learning what are the letters and what are the basic sounds that these letters represent. Just to revise, and of course you can always revisit our previous videos, we looked at the letters, the sounds that each letter represents, we looked at words as examples carrying that specific sound, and we also looked at letters that represent more than one sound, or even letters that are silent and they create no sound. But we left out one very important silent letter, and this is the silent E. So, in this video, we will learn when the letter E is silent and what happens every time we have a silent E inside a word. To start with, the letter E is always silent when it comes at the end of a word, and usually it appears in these endings: B-L-E, as in the word table. Table. As you can hear, there is no E sound in the end of this word. Table. In the ending D-L-E, as in the word candle. Candle. G-L-E, as in jungle. Jungle. And with voiceless consonants, as in the ending C-L-E and the word cycle. Cycle. In P-L-E, as in apple. Apple. And T-L-E, as in the word bottle. Bottle. Let's say these words one more time. Table. Table. Candle. Candle. Jungle. Jungle. Cycle. Cycle. Apple. Apple. Bottle. Bottle. So when you see the letter E as part of these endings, keep in mind that this is a silent letter. But of course, it is very important to keep in mind that the silent E sometimes creates some changes in the words in which it appears. For example, if we were to read the first word, then what we would read is this: t-ap. Tap, tap. But in the second word, where we can see the silent E at the end of it, what we read is tape, tape. So when there is no silent E, I read tap. But with the silent E at the end of the word, I read tape. A tip to help you remember how the letter is pronounced when there is a silent E at the end of the word is to tell you that it is in this case as we are calling the name of the letter. This is the letter A, and when there is the silent E at the end of the word, I say, hey, tape. Let's look at some more examples. Here, I read the first word as meal, meal. But the second one, where we have the silent E at the end of it, I read mile, mile. So this is the letter I, and when I have the silent E at the end of the word, it is like I'm calling the letter I, mile. So repeat after me: meal, mile, meal, mile. The same happens with the letter O as well. Here I have not, not, but note, note. So this is the letter O, and when I have the silent E at the end, I say O, note. So repeat, not, note, not, note. See you next time. Thanks for watching.